A flat tax is a system where everyone pays the same percentage of their income, regardless of how much they earn. Unlike our current progressive system, a flat tax is proportional, meaning the tax rate stays constant for every single taxpayer. If the rate is 15%, someone earning $50,000 and someone earning $5 million would both pay that same percentage. Proponents argue this removes complexity. By eliminating deductions and credits, the entire tax code could theoretically fit on a single page. The main difference is that progressive systems increase rates as income grows, whereas a flat tax treats every dollar as equally taxable. In this bar chart, you can clearly see the visual consistency of a flat tax system across different income levels. Ultimately, the debate comes down to whether you prioritize economic simplicity or the social goals of progressive taxation. Understanding tax structures helps you navigate policy discussions. Thanks for watching, and remember to consult a professional for your specific situation.